Hello, this video is to show you what's inside this box. It's an American Standard Chatfield tub and shower faucet. It has all three pieces, and this is in satin nickel. So let's take a look inside. First you have your owner's manual, contact information just in case you have problems with your installation. You could install this by yourself. If you have the time. So here are the pieces. It includes the valve. The valve goes behind the wall. So if you are remodeling your bathroom or it's a new construction, the valve goes behind the wall. It does say here this side's for the tub, this side's for the shower. Hot, cold. So let's take a look. Here's your plate. As you can see, it's not chrome, it's nickel, so it's a little bit dull, but it has a really nice finish. This plate goes here. That's what it looks like. And then this goes against the wall. This covers the handle. It's a nice finish. This is for your shower head. You have tools, well, a tool and the hardware in here. You have the handle, nicely packaged so you don't have any scratches on it. There is the handle, and the tool is so you can tighten this up. And here's the shower head. Looks really nice. And it says that it has 3 settings. So here is 1, 2, 3 settings. So you'll eventually put this here, and this will go against the wall. And if you have a bathtub, that's useful. If you don't have it, that's fine, you don't need it. This is what it's included in the box when you buy the set. Very nice. And I'll take a couple of pictures once it's installed.